Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to format USB drive on Mac. Let's get started. First, plug your USB drive into your Mac. Make sure it appears on your desktop. I have inserted my USB drive, as you can see here. It appears on my desktop. Now we need to open disk utility. There are two easy ways to do this. Press Command plus spacebar and search for disk utility. As you can see here, disk utility, press enter. And the second way is just open your launchpad. Go on others, you can see your disk utility. You can also find it on your Finder. When you open your Finder, go on applications here. Now search for disk utility. Launchpad, disk utility. On the left side you will see a list of drives here. Find your USB drive and click on it. My USB drive name is no name, it is mentioned here. Now search for no name. Here it is no name, as you can see on my screen. Make sure you select the correct device because formatting will erase everything. Now at the top, click on the erase button. Here you can see a erase button. A new window will appear where you can customize the format here. Now choose the format based on your use. Here format, just select the format which you want to use. As you can see here, ExFAT, best for both Mac and Windows. macOS extended journaled, best for Mac only, and all that functions. Give your USB drive a name if you want. Here if you want to give it a new name, just give it a name. Once you are ready, click on erase button here and wait for a second, and that's it. Your USB drive will be formatted easily. Formatting will delete all data permanently, so always make sure to back up your files before doing this. That's the easy step. Format your USB drive. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Mac tips on this channel. Thank you for watching.